tonight we are making a Japanese hibachi dinner, or hibachi-esque dinner. Teppanyaki, hibachi, whatever you want to call it. This is an at-home version anyway, but we're going to use chicken and vegetables. So right now I have about a tablespoon of olive oil and about a tablespoon of sesame oil heating up. I'm going to move it to high just so it gets a nice sear. I've in small little pieces chopped up 3 chicken thighs, and I've put some salt and pepper on top. These are going to cook super quick, so I want it to the heat to be high and the pieces to be small so that it can get done very quickly. We don't want to overcook it, but we definitely don't want to undercook anything. Slide our chicken on into the pan. We'll break all those pieces up. Now this is just going into the trash. So on all these little pieces to get a sear. And they're going to cook, like I said, very quickly. So while that cooks for just a minute, literally it'll be like just a minute on this side, I'm going to chop up a zucchini and mushrooms and onions. And don't worry, it's on another cutting board with a different knife. So the chicken is cooked. Now we're going to add our little bit of seasoning, which is not much at all. So we add about a tablespoon of butter, and we're going to add about a tablespoon of soy sauce. We're going to mix this around, get it nice and coated, and we're going to move it to the bowl to soak in those juices. And then we're going to put our veggies down into the pan. But as quick as that, we have our chicken done. So let's move this over to the pan and we'll be right back with the veggies. So we're going to start with the same little bases. Some olive oil. A little bit of sesame oil. First thing I'm going to toss in is our onions. And our zucchini and mushrooms. Now this is all of the veggies that we're having for tonight, but really you can toss in whatever veggies you like. We're going to let these fry up for a few minutes. Now this is going to take longer than the chicken, so right at the end we'll toss the chicken in with it just to get all the flavors together. But this is going to take a few minutes longer than the chicken because the veggies need to cook down. It's just our veggies will get cold much quicker than the chicken will, so that's why I like doing it first. I added about a tablespoon of minced garlic. Now I'm going to add in the big dollop of butter, so about a tablespoon of butter. And then watch your face, baby. And then about a tablespoon or so, probably a little bit more, of the soy sauce as well, so that can get this caramelizing and really get that hibachi flavor on there. I'm going to give this just a minute to bubble up and kind of stick to everything, and then I'm going to toss the chicken back in here. And it will be all done. We'll plate, and I'll show y'all what that looks like. While that bubbles up just a little bit, I'm going to show y'all. So, excuse my little container, but I made some YumYum sauce also. It's about a cup of mayonnaise, a few splotches, maybe about a tablespoon of ketchup, some rice vinegar, some paprika, some salt and pepper. If I can, I'll try and leave a little recipe on the side of the screen. But if you don't want to buy it, or you're making all of this based off of what you have at home, just some homemade YumYum sauce to go with all of this also. And get it all plated. Alright, y'all. And dinner is all done. Now we're having this with our every plate pork rice that we made for lunch and our crab salad. I'll leave links to those, like I said, in the video as well. Okay, y'all, so dinner's all done. As you can see, we have our pork fried rice, our hibachi vegetables with our chicken, and our connie salad, and this is our YumYum sauce. So we're gonna sit down and eat our delicious and very easy and quick meal. And this is gonna help us not miss the Tokyo and the sushi masa quite as much. Hopefully you enjoyed and you give it a try and you see just how easy it is for you to do also.